Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear students and welcome to a new lesson number 8, a long time ago. This is the first lesson for the literary section and the title of this lesson number 8, a long time ago. Let's start our lesson. Number A, work in pairs. Answer these questions. Name the 3 eras that geological time is divided into. Number 2, which life forms came before man? So the first question is name 3 eras. No, name the 3 eras that geological time is divided into. And number 2, which life forms came before man? So we have 3 eras, geological time. The first one is Paleozoic. The second one is Mesozoic, and the third one is Cainozoic. So the first period of time and the oldest one is Paleozoic, and then after that, after this period, we have Mesozoic. Then we have the third geological time, which is Cainozoic. So the oldest one is Paleozoic. Then Mesozoic came after that, and finally we have Cainozoic. These are the 3 geological time. And the oldest one is Paleozoic, then Mesozoic and Cainozoic. Number 2, which life forms came before man? The first 2 geological time came before man. So in the first and in the second eras, there were no men. There was no man at all, and man existed in the third geological time, in Cainozoic. Number B, study the geological time diagram on the right. Then check your answers in exercise number A. Now we can see the answer. So the first geological time is Paleozoic, then Mesozoic, and finally Cainozoic. So the life forms that came before man are in the Paleozoic and Mesozoic. And in these 2 eras, there were fish, dinosaurs, and birds. And we can see the animals in this diagram. So here we can see a man 2 million years ago. Then if we come back 65 million years ago, we can see birds, dinosaurs, and if we turn back to the Paleozoic, we can see fish. Now, exercise number C, look again at the diagram opposite. Then complete these sentences with the words in the books. Think about whether the tense is past simple or present perfect. So here we have to draw our attention carefully. If the action happened and completed in the past, we use past simple. If any action has still existed, so we use present perfect. In the books we have fish, dinosaurs, birds, and man. Number 1 has existed for a relatively short time. Has existed. Here the time is present perfect. Present perfect. Has existed for a relatively short time. So who has existed for a short time? Man, birds, dinosaurs, or fish? Yes. Excellent, my students. I think you have guessed which word we will choose. So the first one is man. Man has existed for a relatively short time. Why? Because man has lived in the third eras of or geological time, I mean Cenozoic, and this time is so short if we compare it with the previous two eras, I mean Mesozoic and Paleozoic. Here we use present perfect because man has existed and man exists now. So man here exists. We don't use past at all. Number 2, space. We have space, then existed for over 150 million years. If we look at the diagram opposite, we can see, dinosaurs. Excellent. So here dinosaurs existed for over 150 million years. Why do we use this tense, I mean past simple? Because dinosaurs don't live nowadays. So they existed in the past. They don't exist now. Here we use past simple. Number 3, space have existed for much longer time or longer than man has. Yes, birds have existed for much longer than man has. And here we use present perfect because birds have existed and they have lived until now. Number 4, fish. Fish have existed through all 3 eras. So here also we use present perfect with this sentence, I mean fish have existed because fish have still lived, now till nowadays. After doing this exercise, let's move to the answers. The first space is man, the second one is dinosaurs, the third is birds, and finally fish. Number D, read the text, then mark the sentences T for true or F for false. Number 1, before reading number 1, we have to read the text. The dinosaurs mystery. The dinosaurs were a very successful group of animals. They lived for more than 150 million years. They were reptiles, laid eggs, and were well adapted to their environment. Some were plant eaters, and some ate meat. The largest was huge. It was 25 meters long and weighed 50 tons. All we know about dinosaurs comes from fossils. It seems that dinosaurs died out suddenly 65 million years ago. Few fossils of dinosaurs living after that time have been found, Many other plants and animals became extinct at the same time. Some, like crocodiles, birds, and early mammals, survived. So what happened? After reading, we can do the exercise. Number 1, dinosaurs were reptiles. Yes, that is true. Number 2, dinosaurs laid eggs. Also, the sentence is true. They laid eggs. 3, all dinosaurs were meat eaters. No, that's false. So, not all of them were meat eaters, because some of them are or were plant eaters. So some of them were plant eaters and others were meat eaters. Number 3 is false. Number 4, dinosaurs became extinct very suddenly. Yes, that's true. And finally, all creatures on Earth became extinct at the same time as the dinosaur did. No, that's not true. This sentence is false. And here are the answers. We can see them. Let's move to our workbook, exercise number A. Why do you think the dinosaurs became extinct? Tick the theories you agree with. Here we have 4 theories, and we want to tick the theories we think they are true. Number 1, large dinosaurs were too stupid. No, it's not. We don't think it's right. Number 2, big dinosaurs were too slowly. Maybe this theory is true. Number 3, small animals ate dinosaur eggs. Maybe. So this theory could be true, but we don't know. Number 4, the climate changed, possibly as a result of an erupting volcano or large asteroid. And this theory could happen. Number B, complete each sentence with a word from the books below. Eras, adapts, extinct, fossils. The first sentence, remains of trees and animals that are found in rocks are called. What are the remains of trees and animals called? Yes, they are called fossils. Excellent. The first one, fossils. Remains of trees and animals that are found in rocks are called fossils. Number 2, the 3 periods of time into which geological time is divided are called. Yes, eras. Number 3, if a creature doesn't exist anymore, we say that it is. Yes, excellent. It's extinct. So it doesn't exist anymore. Number 4, if a creature changes and learns to live in a new environment, we can say that it adapts. So it's new to its new environment. If creature changes and learns to live in a new environment, we can say that it adapts to its new environment. We can see the answers now. The first one, fossils, eras, extinct, and adapts. After doing this exercise, my dear students, we can conclude our lesson number 8, a long time ago. So in this lesson we talked about dinosaurs and other creatures which lived million years ago, and now I want to say to everybody, I want to say you goodbye and see you in the following lesson, inshallah. Finally, goodbye.